cap, man. I have to do this back test real quick. Let's get straight into the video. Yo, what's good? What it do, YouTube? It's your boy Buzz. Today's video, man, we'll be doing a back test for yesterday's trade. I took a trade yesterday on EURUSD. It was a sell, and I sent the signal and the analysis on my Discord group. In case you're not in, the link will be down in the description. Feel free to join. We can chat, we can go live, you can speak, ask me questions, I'll answer whatever I know. You know what I'm saying? I don't know if I should call this the first episode of this series, but I'm starting this series that's called Road to Get Funded. Basically, I'll be filming myself going from 0 to 100 complete guide, how to get funded and what is the process like. Basically, for those who are not familiar with what I'm talking about prop firms. If you don't know what a prop firm is, it's basically someone who's willing to give their money to someone else in order for a return gain. They use the capital to grow it and then split the profit between you and them. But how does this whole prop firm thing works? Well, basically, you're gonna have to pass phase 1 and phase 2. In other words, level 1 and level 2. What's in level 1? You're basically going to have to grow the account about 10% within 35 days. If you finish that, you go to level 2, where you're gonna get the challenge of getting extra 5%. Once you finish that, they're going to give you the actual capital to trade, and then any money you make afterwards will be split profit between you and the prop firm. Now, the prop firm I'll be using for this series will be the Funded Trader. I have a link down in the description in case you wonder what it is. I'll leave a link, you can go click it. And if you decide to join, I'll leave also a 5% discount coupon. You can use it at the checkout and it will save you 5%. Now let's get into the video. Every trade I call, I send the analysis on my Discord, so again, the link will be in the description. With that being said, I'll go live on YouTube so people can see the trade that I'm taking running live. If I make money, I lose money, you're gonna see this whole journey. Basically, I'm making this video for myself so I can watch myself grow and see the things I used to do and how do I move on to the next level. So let's say main thing is a journal for myself, and then second thing is hopefully inspiring someone to do the same thing I'm doing or maybe something better. Speaking at the moment, I have a part-time job and I'm a full-time student. It's my last year to get my bachelor's degree, so I'm not giving up on this degree thing. I'm still gonna get it regardless. I ran across the trading about 8 months ago. I started doing it about 6 months ago, and here I am on this prop firm. That's why I'm filming my journey. So I'm keeping this journal for myself starting from today. Well, actually I went live yesterday. For those who didn't see it, you want to see the journey, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and follow my social media. And don't forget to join the Discord. Link will be down in the description. Now let's get into the breakdown video. I'll be breaking down why I took this trade. Not one entry, I actually took 2 entries. And first thing, let's just go empty chart on EURUSD. We can see this is the same chart that I took the trade on. Point out why I took the trade, and I will be breaking down the chart as if I'm just doing my analysis right now. First thing I'll look at, that's the beginning of the week right here, and that's the end of the week. Okay, so we have the beginning of the week. We started around this price range. That's the first day of the week. We had 3 levels of rises. I will point out right now in case you wonder what I got you. Relax. If you're enjoying the video, don't forget to smash the like button, man. Level 1 of rise, level 2, that's level 2, and this level right here is level 3, which is the last level. So with this consideration that we have 3 levels of rises, let me type in the numbers real quick. Now it's more clear that we have 3 levels of rises during the week. We got the midweek reversal, as we can see. This is the midweek reversal. I will point that out. Damn, weak, stupid. We'll break down the chart one more time. That's the beginning of the week. We started the week around this one. We got the first level of rise, second level of rise. We got the midweek reversal, and that's the third level of rise, which is the last. So this is the first confirmation that we're on the third level, which is normally the last level of rise. The second confirmation I got, price actually broke the previous high. Within the third level of rise, we broke the previous high, which was 4, because that was the initial high of the week, which was the second level of rise, but then the midweek reversal happened, so that's the third one. Now we get into the actual deal. Why did I take this entry? As we can see, the price formed the M shape. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it did actually form an M shape. and it's on third level of rise, formed the M shape with a candle retraced back as soon as it hit and picked up the orders from, you know, that a lot of people leave their stop losses around here, right, when they were selling. So like when the price came again, it did wipe the people who put their stop losses around here. So this itself is another confirmation that I was going based. Third confirmation is the retracement that happened on the highest high of the week after we grabbed the orders from the previous high. As you guys can see, we got a wick that finishes all the orders that we picked up, and then it formed an M shape. As you guys can see, it came up, came down, came up, and then down. My drawing skills are so fucking amazing. Second shot, went up. Fuck. Now, if I was in the market, if I was looking at my analysis in the market, I would definitely took my entry around this leg, around here. TP probably be 50 pips, so my TP would have been over here, right? Typically, but I came in the market late. I said I would have took the entry around this price, but I came in this around London session, so it was already forming this nonsense, you know what I'm saying, this choppy nonsense. So ignore all that. When I came in, I saw the price ended on a huge wick. From this wick, I came in and I was like, I'm grabbing this one right now. So I took the entry around this price right here. And normally, as I said, our TP will be 50 pips. Yeah, normally our TP will be around 50 pips, which is around here, but I don't know. I wasn't focused because my entry was late and I didn't pay attention that the correct entry should have been on top, but I took it down here, which is fine, you know what I'm saying? But I did not pay attention. That's why I missed my actual take profit. We're going to talk about it, right? We're going to talk about it. So I'm around 70%. I said secure some profits. This is the level what we normally secure with profits. And by the way, the stop loss was about 25 pips or 24 pips, something like that. That's the initial stop loss because, and that's why the trade was still valid because it did not break the highest high. So that's why I took the trade again on the second entry after this session changeover happened, because this was in London session. Let me just mark this down. This is because the trade I took the trade on London session. So when the session changeover came up, the price retraced again, and then I took a second entry because I did not reach my actual target profit. A little greedy, you know what I'm saying, but hey, we learn from our mistakes. That's the goal. Price came in again, hit on a wick. Plus the wick, we have doji with a spike, you know what I'm saying, 2 candles. So as soon as I saw this candle, I was like, yes, I'm getting in, and that's the tightest stop loss, which was a 10 pip stop loss. As you guys can see, 10 pip stop loss. TP was down here again. Actually, by the way, I did send a notification to my people who follow me on Instagram. Plus, if you were in my Discord group, I did say move the stop to break even. As soon as this trade hit like 32 pips, that's when I said, yeah, around this price range. As soon as the price hit this range, I said it's time to move the stop and break even or +1. This one, the retracement happened, it took us out. That's why I took the second entry. By the way, I secured half of my profit on this entry right there. So blah blah blah. Since I finished breaking down the reasons why I took the trade, this is what actually happened. After this came up for about 32 pips in profit, I put the stop to move even and I send it to the group. I'll put the post like somewhere in this video that I did send it. My analysis were good, but the take profit was a little further away from what the price actually did. My take profit based on the EMAs, put around 200 EMA. That's where my take profit is supposed to be at. And yeah, my take profit is supposed to be down here. But yeah, I was a little greedy and I was thinking that it's gonna happen, a huge reversal. But they did it in 2 swipes, as you guys can see, 32 and then came up 32 again. But yeah, this is the second trade that I took. I actually moved the stop to +1, as you guys can see it. And yeah, hopefully that makes sense. If you guys enjoyed today's content, please leave a like. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, turn on notifications on, because I go live every time I take the trade for this series that I just started. So this is episode 1, I'ma say. And hopefully breaking down this chart made you understand something. If I did, make sure to type that in the comment below. If you have any questions, make sure to type that down below as well. Links will be down in my description. If you need anything, just go to my link tree. You'll find most of my links. And yeah, feel free to ask me questions. Anything that you got, leave it in the comment below. It's been your boy Buzz. I'll see you at another video. Peace.